Hello guys, it's Enchanted Lip, and today you're going to see me strip my hair and try out this product. Now they sent it to me. It is the Four Seasons Intense. I went with the fuchsia because I do have darker hair. Now you guys have seen I put tint on the bottoms. Well, we're going to try to lighten that up some first using a baking soda method, some shampoo. Now I've seen this done with Dawn and the anti-grass shampoo, but I'm just gonna go with this. I'm not using developer. First start with some shampoo. Now I love the smell of this. Rosemary mint makes your hair feel amazing. Now we're gonna take some of the baking soda, and yes, I'm mixing in my hand because I'm a savage. I'm gonna make a big mess. I'll just mix it up into a paste. That is fun. Okay. Now fingers. Okay. We'll make a mess. We don't need those. I've got this half an Easter egg. We'll use it. But I'm going to make sure I mix enough all of my hair to get thoroughly coated because we do want to give this honest to gosh try. It's okay if it doesn't work. I'm just going to try it and then you guys can do it if it works. If you think I'm doing something, do it yourself. I'm going to mix it up and make a nice paste. I'm going to cover my hair in it. And just kind of get in there. I mainly want to get this black tint off of my hair. And I said to make it into a paste. Now I've watched a couple different videos about this, and I'm sorry Ramondo, I'm not doing it right, but I'm not professional, and it's okay, I don't leave the house anyway, but you want to make sure you get through every single layer, separate. Alright, and I will see you in a minute. I'm gonna finish putting this on, wait 15-ish minutes, and rinse, come back, show you how to process, and then you'll help me put on my Four Seasons. Alright guys, so as you can see, it did not pull all the color out. It did drain a lot of color. Got washing out blue, and so I'm sure it took a lot of the undertone out. Possibly it does also look very blue, so there's a chance you can get through this and it turns out purple on the ends. Okay, so we're going to start doing this. It says apply evenly to wash, towel dry hair, comb through, and leave in for 10 to 25 depending on the desired intensity. Now, I'm going to get right in and look at that beautiful color. Yes, we do not leave in gloves because who needs gloves? So it does tell you to comb through it. I'm going to use my fingers first and then I'll use my brush. It's going to look really cool. I'm excited. Going to have that in my color. Fine, it is mine. I'm not professional. Just want to make sure I do it everywhere. Now there is a lot of product in here, and it is qualified as a mess. So it's not quite a hair dye. It is colored by tint. Now I am not sponsored for this video, but they did send me that for free. I had to pay for it and they had to pay me back. That is okay, and I will be trying to get this off. If not, I saw that you can use the baking soda again there. The smell is gorgeous. It really doesn't have a smell per se. Kind of has a hint. Gross, but I don't know, a hint of fruitiness, and as you can see, I am raking my fingers through. I am coating every follicle of my hair that I can. Again, I am not professional. Probably should have taken off my wedding band. It's okay, it's part of the love. He knows what he got into. I am definitely giving this its run for its money. Now I do have long hair. A lot to work the product through. Make sure it goes around the ears. And underneath. Because I want my hair up a lot. Now I did think I would get more out of this bottle. But I am heavily putting it on there. I'm sure if you use this more than once, you won't need it as much the second time. Now I'm going to grab my brush and dye the crap out of that too. Now, some of my hair is super thirsty because it has been bleached over and over. Alright, I'm going to clean up my brush, clean up my countertop, wipe off the bottle, clean up the base. Let this sit. I'm going to let it sit for as long as I can, hopefully towards that 25-minute mark. Because I would like this bright. Alright guys, let's see what happens. Quick update, I did try to wash off. My wedding band is clean. So if you use this product, use it. I have pink hands for this.
Hey guys, this is my final review of it all. Now, I did wash my hands quite a few times. You know, a normal day and a half of washing my hands, and a lot of it did remove. Alright, my overall review is for the baking soda trick. It did pull a lot of color out. I did see a lot of color in my shower. Okay. The hair mask worked fast, worked good. It left my hair nice and shiny. Really hydrated. Definitely feels better. You can see it is darker on the bottom, but I'm really kind of digging it. Would I buy it? Yes. Would I recommend it? As compared to like dollar store, Walmart box dye? Yes. This is a toning hair mask. It has a lot of benefits. It just feels really soft. I love how it turned out. Really cute. It was definitely a very big bottle, you can see. I'm just obsessed, and everybody loves it. And can't go wrong, you know? Alright. Thank you guys.